gets all over my head, and I about peed in my pants. I was like, oh no!
Well, I didn't know that he could insure it wasn't coming over here. The baby spin-off little weedy one, but I'm watching because it's making me nervous.
That's huge. I can't believe I just saw a tornado.
Can't move out through your apartment.
And we just, our eyes started.
How did you find Daddy, little girl?
What's her name?
I'm calling Tracy.
Cupping her
It's
name.
like it's tongue right there. It's not going anywhere.
No, we should go on.